Welcome to Symbaloo, the ultimate tool for organizing and sharing your online resources. Whether you're an educator, student, or professional, Symbaloo helps you keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Symbaloo is a visual bookmarking tool that lets you create web mixes, customizable grids of tiles that link to your favorite websites, tools, and resources. Tiles can be personalized by changing their sizes, colors, icons, and more, making it easy to find and access what you need quickly. Imagine having all your essential links organized in one place, accessible from any device, and easy to share with others. That's the power of Symbaloo. Creating a web mix is simple. Just drag and drop your links into tiles, organize them by subject, class, or any way you like. Then share your web mixes with a single click. It's that easy. Educators love Symbaloo because it makes distributing educational resources to students and colleagues a breeze. Set it as your home page, and you'll always have your web mixes ready to go. For those who need a more comprehensive solution, we offer Symbaloo Web Spaces. A web space is an add-on to your Symbaloo account that allows you to claim a personalized URL, like mrsbarnes.symbaloo.com. With a web space, you can publish all your web mixes on a single link. This makes sharing multiple sets of resources even easier, perfect for schools, institutions, and organizations. Instead of sharing individual webmix links, you now have one central hub where everything is organized and accessible. It's an efficient way to manage and distribute resources to large groups. Ready to streamline your online resources? Start exploring Symbaloo today and see how it can transform the way you organize and share your favorite links. Visit our website to learn more and sign up for free. Thanks for watching, and happy web mixing with Symbaloo.